Welcome to Surviving the Black Hole. You've uploaded your resume, but never heard back. This often means your application was filtered by the Applicant Tracking System, or ATS. The ATS acts as a filter, not a judge. It's software that scans for specific keywords. If your resume lacks the required data points, your application can be automatically deleted before any human sees it. For the critical first 30 seconds, your audience is a machine built entirely on keyword matching. Therefore, you must stop writing for the human hiring manager first and focus on the ATS algorithm. The human evaluator assesses potential and fit using visual, designed formats. The ATS parser, however, calculates an exact keyword match score from linear, single-column text using standardized terminology. Predictability is the prime directive for an ATS. Complex, unpredictable layouts, like those with columns and tables, cause catastrophic parsing errors, leading to lost data. Simple linear layouts ensure successful data extraction. Non-standard elements like complex graphics, embedded tables, text boxes, headers, footers, and custom fonts are system breakers. Stick to the KISS protocol. Keep it simple, stupid, with a clean, linear, single-column format. To guarantee data extraction, use universally accepted architecture. Use system fonts, strict headings like professional experience, and submit a simple .docx or plain text file. Avoid creative titles and PDFs. The source code for the ATS is in the job description. The algorithm hunts for a direct correlation. Break down the posting and extract required skills. These are your mandatory system keywords. The ATS requires an exact match. Do not assume the software understands context or synonyms. For example, client database tools will result in an error or no match if the requirement is CRM. Construct the skill matrix by creating a dedicated section for algorithmic intake. Load it with verbatim keywords from the job description, including both hard and soft skills. Keywords need contextual integration. Weave the machine's required vocabulary naturally into your achievements. This satisfies both the algorithm and the human reviewer by providing context and metrics. By stripping away complex formatting and mirroring the required language, you build a digital bridge. This four-step process leads your resume directly to the hiring manager's desk. You've bypassed the digital gatekeeper. Now your resume is out of the system and sitting on a hiring manager's screen. Prepare for the final test, captivating the human eye in the 6-second review.